Welcome back to the channel, man. Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, we're going to talk about if I still believe VVS Finance is a good buy on the Cronos blockchain. Yes, VVS Finance was the first DApp on the Cronos blockchain. And today, I'm going to just go over a few new updates and also let you guys know if I will be still investing in VVS Finance or if I'll take my money out and run for the hills, man. So we're going to talk about that. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, especially those who tune in for each and every single video. Y'all are some real ones. But not only am I just commentating and giving my personal experience in cryptos, but I'm also showing you different ways how you can make passive incomes in cryptos, how you can literally start printing money, with the liquidity pools, with staking and buying NFTs, everything in the crypto sector. I will talk about on my page, man. So if I'm adding value, hit that subscribe button. And also, I got to say this, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm talking about is just my personal opinion and for entertainment reasons. And I'm not telling you what to invest in. I'm just showing you some of the projects that I invest in that I find interesting and that I believe will appreciate over time. So always get a financial advisor before you make any type of investments, man. So let's get into it. VVS Finance, let's go. So we see I'm currently on Coin Market Cap, and we see right now VVS Finance is down 3% on the day, man. And we still see that price is pretty much stagnant right now, standing at that 0.00003, less than a penny. We see the market cap is at $83 million, down 3%. The fully diluted market cap is down 3% at $3.6 billion. And then the volume is down 21%, man, at $8 million. So a little tool I like to use just to see what's going on different chains is the Dex Screener. And if you don't know Dex Screener, this is just some little alpha information that you can use to see what chains, what's popping on what chains. You see all of the different chains that we see. We got ETH, we got the Binance chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Harmony, Cronos, Moon River, Moonbeam, Metis. So all of these different chains that you can see what's actually going on the chain, what cryptos are actually doing their thing on each chain, man. So right now we're currently on the Cronos blockchain. I just want to show you guys. We see right now the top 9 cryptos are on MMF or are being traded on MMF. But when we scroll down, we see VVS is coming in at the 10th spot, man. So I'm going to click on VVS for the DEXs instead of all DEXs. And let's just see what's going on the VVS chain. So VVS and Crow, we see that's the #1 traded token right now with a volume of 320 million and 200 transactions. But let's just click on it. Let's just look at the chart, man. So we can see this chart right now. Let's zoom out a little bit and we can see on a 4-hour since the beginning of February, we've been in an uptrend. You see, like right here, this was February the 2nd. So we've been in a slight uptrend, but now it's coming back down, man. But when we zoom all the way out, we see that drop. We see how crazy VVS went in the beginning. And I told you we was pretty much exit liquidity. I told you, like after I seen it, I seen it. It was too late, guys. I'm sorry that I called it right. It kind of like I called it maybe up here somewhere. I called it at the top somewhere. And like I said, I'm sorry for that, guys. This was probably one of my, I wouldn't say worst decisions, but I would say it was probably one of those decisions that I could have waited to get into because the blockchain was so new and I was just so excited to get into it. And I just dig in, man. So I just really jumped in prematurely without even analyzing everything was going on. But starting off, it already had too much liquidity on the platform. So you got to understand, when that much liquidity is on the platform already, people have already been investing in this project, in my opinion. That's just in my opinion. When a project has over $1 billion, or right at, that, oh, if it has over $100 million already in liquidity when it's new, hey, best believe somebody already been investing in it prematurely, and they were waiting to get their profits when the product launched. So I'm not tripping, it's a part of investing, but you can just see like the chart literally tanked since then. But VVS is trying to do some little things, especially with their roadmap. They had a roadmap that I talked about in the previous video, and they've been trying to follow the roadmap, but it's still so iffy, in my opinion, just because VVS isn't innovative enough in my eyes. I feel like they came in with, or they felt like the big man on campus on the Cronos blockchain, and they didn't connect with enough smaller projects and network, man. And it's starting to show, just seep into other exchanges and projects. They are really working their asses off, while VVS is kind of just being very, very stagnant, man. So I want to go to their Twitter and just show you a few new updates that, I believe could possibly help VVS. But like I said, I want to see them continue to bring new updates, man. It's like it's one update per week, and it just, you left in limbo, especially now with the price just dropping and tanking like that. You gotta start bringing some new innovative things. So something that caught my eye, man, VVS is excited to see Cardano ADA launching on the Cronos blockchain via the IBC solo machine, allowing ADA to be sent across the entire Cosmos interchain ecosystem. ADA has also been listed on VVS with initial liquidity added to the Crow and ADA pool. So we can see now, man, the Crow and ADA pool is up, and we can see that they are bringing Cardano to the chain, and it's going to be major, just because we already know a lot of people like Cardano, and it's one of those cryptos that's been around since the beginning of the crypto cycle, man. So it's exciting to see ADA coming to the chain, but like I said, I believe it's going to bring some people there, but it depends on what's the return. So let's see if they got it up already. Let's just see if they have the farm up. So currently it doesn't look like they have the initial farm up as of right now. But I am excited to see what will be the APR of their farm. The APRs on VVS go down fast too. Like, it went down too fast. I feel like everybody literally took the tokens, the farming tokens, and ran with it, sold it off, and then just left us with little to small digit APRs. But it's the crypto space, so we kind of get a little greedy, and sometimes we get a little mad when we see APRs of 100%. But that's cool, because you don't see those type of returns in any other space, man, especially getting paid out like that. But like I said, I would like to see some type of progress done to help the initial holders who were in since the beginning and raise that APR and let us get some of our money back, because it tanked like crazy, man. So we know ADA is brought to Cronos through VVS, and that's going to be something to look forward to if you want to have some of the ADA on the blockchain. So another thing that they were talking about in the roadmap is multiple reward forms. So it's finally here. VVS will be launching the VVS Tonic on Crystal Farms on February 18th, and you can get rewarded with both VVS and Tonic at the same time. So this is something that they was talking about in the roadmap earlier when they produced it in the beginning of the year in January, and they was talking about multiple reward forms, and that's something you can look forward to as well. But like I said, I feel like it's from another project. I just feel like they saw what's working, then they just ran with it. But this could be a good move, just because Tonic is the #1 money market on the Cronos blockchain, and VVS does have the most liquidity as a DEX on the blockchain, man. So this could be a major move, especially if you're getting in VVS right now. Like if you're getting in VVS right now, I feel like VVS will go up. I'm not sure how far it will go up, but I feel like VVS will go up just because they are announcing a lot of things new in the roadmap and it's actually being implemented. So this was one of the things they want to implement. And now tomorrow we will have multiple reward forms. So to answer the question, all in all, do I believe VVS is a good buy? And will I continue to invest in VVS? Well, the verdict is in, man. Right now, I believe VVS is okay, but I'm just holding what I got. I'm not going to buy any more VVS just because I want to see more interaction with the team and I want to see more updates, man. I want to see updates like you're hungry to succeed, like you want the what's best for the investors, not lackluster, not just chilling and leaving us left to wonder like what's going on with the price, not updating at all. I want to see some work put into the project and not even just update us on Twitter, but also update the platform. Like, I mean, you don't have to be all talk and no walk. I want to see some more utility on the platform and just help the early users who got in, who were pretty much exit liquidity for the platform, man. So that's what I like to see. I'm not buying any more VVS until the team works and shows that they really care about the investors, man. Because right now it's kind of giving me like, I mean, y'all cool, but I mean, it is what it is. We have the most liquidity on Cronos blockchain. I mean, you have to come here to trade, but that's not necessarily correct because we see a lot of other projects, a lot of other dexes are really working hard and really trying to show the investors that they mean business, man. So VVS is a decent project, but I wouldn't necessarily put it on the top of my totem pole. I'm not going to sell as of right now. I'm just holding and just waiting on any new updates that I believe will continue to help the price appreciate, man. So that's my video for today, giving you a couple of reasons why VVS is a decent project, an okay project, but not one of the top tier projects I would be putting money into right now, and just get a couple of updates on their roadmap. So that's my video for today. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.